Makiaria mari Nairobi mugete bodi iria itongoragio ni Ezekiel Mutua nirakungia wara watho-ini ucio nigo kugia na mahinya makiria.
We are still saying we want to lobby, we want this thing changed, we want the media council to be the only body that deals with issues of ethics and so on, not to bring another tribunal which is under CA, which is supposed to be regulating frequencies. Why are they coming into issues of ethics and so on? But the point I'm trying to stress is that if we let it go until it's too late, it will become very hard to reverse. So let's very quickly strategize and identify what we need to do, and let's do it.
Muikariri kia KFCB Ezekiel Mutua nyakoretwo akimenereria ukinyaniria wa mohoro akiuga ati no muhaka mohoro makorwo magithuthurio ni bodi yake mbere ya makinyirio muingi. Anyiti itemi acio maugite ati ona mutaratara ucio wahitukio ni mbunge ni ukorwo kihinyiriria andu aria mothondeka thinema, athaki a mithako ya ngerekano ona andiki a mohoro guku bururi-ini.
Kenya has got a constitution. We've got very good laws that we are supposed to be using when we are doing our work. Why are we running a country based on MOUs?
Riu ni mendekithitio mutaratara ucio wikwo mogararuku mbere ya utamanitio mbunge nigetha mathi na mbere na ukinyaniria wa mohoro hatari kurumirira mawatho ma kumahinyiriria wira-ini wao. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.